All right, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my Fashion Pop, the best fashion channel in the world. So today, guys, quickly without wasting time, I'm going to teach us how to cut the short sleeve. Yes, the short sleeve of a safari suit. Okay, I've seen so many comments where you guys said I should do that. So quickly, without wasting time, let us do that. Okay, so now for you to cut the short sleeve for your safari suit, there are just few calculations you need to do. All right, and I'm going to be showing you without wasting time at all. So this is it. When you are drafting pattern for your safari suit sleeve, you first of all need to know how wide you are to fold your fabric. All right, how wide are you to fold it, by 10 inches or by 6 or by 9 or by 8? You need to know that. All right, and for you to know how wide you will fold your fabric, you simply use this formula: chest divide by chest measurement divide by 2 minus 4 inches. All right, so for instance, if this customer's chest is 40, all right, if I divide by 2, I'll be having what? 20 minus 4 inches. That will be equal to what? 16. All right, so it means I'll fold this paper by what? 8. When you are folding, you divide your measurement by 2. So we have gotten the wideness to be 16. So it means we are folding our paper by 8. Okay, because we divide this 16 by 2. Whatever you get divided by 2. So having known and understood the formula, let us go straight into what? Drafting a suit sleeve for this customer. So let's take it that this customer's chest measurement, all right, is 40. Since I've already done this, so I will not waste time. Let's take it that this customer's chest measurement is 40, and we want to get his what? His bicep. All right, we want to get the how wide we should fold our fabric. You simply divide your 40 by 2 minus 4 inches, and we're having 16. So this 16, let me show us how we are now going to fold using this 16. This is very simple, guys. So it's 8, right? Let's check. So this is 8, this is 10. Okay, let me see, add some inches because I need more than 8. I will show you why I need more than 8. So since it's 8, okay, this is 11, okay. So this is 11. I added 3 inches. I'm going to show us why I added those 3 inches, okay. Just like that. So I am going to remove 2 inches from this side, 2 inches. All right, 2 inches by the side. So this is my 2 inches I've removed by the side. All right, I'm going to show us why I removed these 2 inches. So the next thing is for us to get the what? The length of this sleeve now. So let's say the customer's sleeve length is 10, all right? So from the beginning point here, I'm going to measure down. This is 10, all right? So you measure this side and get your 10. Join these 2 points together. All right. So now is the time for us to get the what? The wideness, which is 8 that we got. Remember, we got 8 because it's 16 divided by 2, that is 8. So from this line here, this is what? This is 8, okay? So this is our 8, and this is our 8. We see, join it and get a straight line, right? The next thing for us to do is to get the midpoint of this. Since it's 8, the midpoint is 4. This is 8. The midpoint is what? 4. It's 8, all right? The next thing is to do what? To get our sleeve cap. The height of the sleeve cap is usually 9 for adults. Or I mostly use, sorry, is 6. Sleeve cap is 6. Right, so I'll come down here by 2, and I'll come down here by 6. All right, so that's the depth of our sleeve cap is 6. Right, I'm going to join these 2 points together as well. Join this with this. I join this with this. Now come down here by 1 inch. Come down here by 1 inch. Now see, join this with this. All right, so the next thing for us to do now is to begin to shape this sleeve, okay? So watch carefully how I'm going to shape this sleeve. It's very simple and straightforward. How I'm going to shape it, okay? Let's keep this here. Now I'm going to shape this to here, and I'll shape this to here. All right. Here's the midpoint of these 2 dots here. Okay. And now the next thing I'm going to do is to get a curve here. Watch carefully, guys. So you see here, I'm getting a curve in this place. And for this side, I'm getting a curve all the way down to this point here. All right, guys. Just pay close attention. This is very, very simple. I'm going to take it this way. And you can see this our sleeve cap. This nice is looking, guys. Guys, if this video is making sense, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, give me a thumbs up. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to, at this point here, I'm not sure why I gave these 2 inch allowance here. I'm going to come here. From this point, I will go in by 1.5 inch, and I'll still come out by 1.5 inch. Same thing here. I'm going to go in by 1.5 inch. I'll still come out by what? 1.5 inch. Okay. Now I'm going to join this point of this point. I'll join. Let me get a bit longer, right? I'll join this points. Let's see this side. I'll join this point. This point. Okay. Now the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to call this here to come with this here. So you can use your French curve, or you can use your freehand, whichever you gives you what you're looking for. You can use my French curve. Join this to this here. So this line is coming here and joining here. Right? The next thing for me to do now is to join this line here. The same way I join this to this, I'll join this to this here, and then this to this. All right. This line needs to come up. All right. So watch carefully. I'm going to do this. I'm going to join this here. To join this point here. This point, and I'll join this point back to this point here. I'm just going to keep it this way. I'll join this point back to this point here. Guys, so if you can look very well, this we have here, this size we have here makes for what? The armhole. Look at it here. This is the armhole. All right. So the next thing is for us to finish up what we are doing. So how we're going to do this? We are going to simply come here now. This is our main line. Okay. All right. Now this is what gives us the 8. Okay. So we are going to, on this line, measure the bicep of the customer. That is the bicep. So let's say the customer's bicep here, okay, is 14. Okay. If it is 14, 14 by 2 will give you 7. So this is what? This is the 7. Right here. The 7. Now we see that. That's the 7. Okay. Now we're going to give half inch allowance. I'm going to measure it at 7.5. Okay, 7.5 here. All right. So I'm going to join this point here to half inch outside this line here. Half inch outside this line here. So I'm going to join it this way. Join it this way. I see that. So the last but not the least, now suit sleeve is not usually straight, it's slanty. So because of that, I'm going to come up here by half an inch, go down here by half an inch, then I'll join the 2 points together, these 2 points together. All right. Then I'm going to measure 1.5 inch down. That serves as our hemming allowance. Okay. I'm going to just join these 2 points together. So this right here is our hemming allowance. Okay. This right here is our hemming allowance. Right, guys. So because of that, this line right here, I'm going to play it out as if it's coming to meet this one back here. Right. So that when I hem it in, I only have the shortage there. All right. The same thing with this line right here. I'm going to play it out a little bit. So by the time I hem it in, I won't be having any shortage anywhere, guys. So guys, if you look at this piece we have carefully, you see there are 2 pieces here. You see from here like this to this point here is the smaller piece of the sleeve, while the whole of this makes for the bigger piece. Let me cut it and you understand better, all right? All right, guys, so this is it, all right? This is it right here. You can see this is right here. So let me show something. I am going to now this is a pattern, okay? This is a pattern, all right? So for us to get the small sleeve inside here, okay, you can choose to cut it out from here, all right, or you can choose to place it here and remove the small piece. But I don't want to waste our time. Let's just use it, because since we have the big pattern here, we can use this one to place on our fabric and remove the 2 big pieces. Then you can now cut out this one for the small sleeve. Look at it right here. Let me show us. This is it. Right here. Yeah. All right, guys. So you can see this is the small part of the sleeve. This is the small part of the sleeve, all right? And this is the big part of the sleeve. Can you see this? So you can simply, if I fold it this way, you can leave this one here. You can see that our sleeve is now what? Complete. Can you see this? Can you see this, guys? So this is how to cut the small piece of the safari suit. How to cut the short sleeve. How to cut the short sleeve for your safari suit. You can see right here. This is your sleeve, all right? Can see this? Very simple and straightforward, guys. Very simple and straightforward. Very simple and straightforward. Now you don't have to throw this away. You can use your masking tape and do what? And hold it in place. Okay. You can use your masking tape and hold this in place. All right. However way you want it. But guys, we have done justice on how to cut a short sleeve for a safari suit. If you enjoy watching this video, Please subscribe, and subscribe. So you can now use this to cut out your small piece. Use this to cut out a big piece, all right? 2 small pieces here, 2 big pieces here, and you are done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.